Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this carrot and papaya melt and pour soup. If it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let's get started. I'm going to use one papaya and 2 carrots, and after washing it very well, I'm going to damp it with a tissue paper. Make sure you don't peel the back of the carrot because it is packed with minerals. So after damping it, I'm going to cut it into cubes. So after cutting it, I'm going to pour it into my blender. I'm going to blend both the carrot and the papaya. No added water to this, please. And I'm blending both the seed and the back of the papaya. And after blending it, I use cheesecloth to strain it. And that's exactly what I'm doing at this point. And as doing this, I make sure there's no particles and the juice that will come out from it. So here I have my juice ready, and I'm going to, here I cut the soup into cubes. This is the aloe vera and glycerin clear soap I made myself, and the link will be below. If you want to make the soap, you click on the link to watch the video. So here I cut out 330 grams of the melt and pour soap, and my juice I measured out 150 grams of my juice, my carrot and papaya juice. And here I'm going to mix it together, pour the juice into the melt and pour soup, and put it on a low heat for 5 minutes. And here I decided to pour it into the measurement cup so that it will allow me pour it into the mold. So I added my essential oils, 5 drops each, my sweet almond, and also vitamin E. Both are good for the skin. So here I pour it to my mold. This is my silicone mold. So after pouring it, and I leave this for 48 hours. And after 48 hours, my soap is ready.